The folks over at TEWORLD sent me this. This is a car seat cover for my Tesla. And the purpose of this cover is to protect my seat when I'm getting in there and maybe it's raining or it's I'm sweaty from a workout or maybe the beach or something like that. The whole purpose of this is to sit right over the seat, protect my seat. So on the front facing side, we can see it's a nice short napped material on the front, but then on the inside that'll be up against the seat, we've got these little beads that'll help keep it in place once we get it set there. This is a strap. This is just simply going to go over the headrest itself. We can see here the length of it. So this is going to give us full seat coverage to help protect that seat. Installing this is as simple as putting it in the car, taking the strap, throwing it over the headrest like that, and then just spreading it out. And once it's spread out nice and easy, you can see seat belts right there. Everything's sitting right there. Then all you do is just get in the car. Seat is completely protected. I don't feel any pull, any gathering on my clothes at all. Got to put the seatbelt on. Well, I don't know. It seems pretty good to me. Side note, you could probably leave this on the seat, on the driver's seat during the day. If you're parked out in the sun, it will probably help keep that seat a little cooler. Or when you first get in the car and the car's cooling down, you won't be right on the pleather before we get started. And also, because of the cut and shape, it can go on either the driver's seat or the passenger seat. Or you could just do two, keep yourself covered. And then storage is pretty simple. Just fold it in a third and a third and a third, and then just roll it up. Tucks away nice and neat. Put in your storage bin or underneath. Yeah, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this.